Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you banana and castor oil face mask. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. While the antioxidants in castor oil aids in getting rid of the infection causing impurities, bananas help in moisturizing the skin from deep within and restore the natural texture and tone. This is one of the best masks to use if you have dry or sensitive skin. Ingredients: 1 mashed ripe banana, half tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon castor oil. Method: in a bowl, mix together 1 mashed ripe banana along with half tablespoon honey and 1 tablespoon castor oil. Apply the mask on the face and keep it on for 30 to 35 minutes. Wash off with cool water. Repeat the process at least once a week for desired results. I will give you the link of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.